How to activate Cooperative Bank Credit Card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about activating a Cooperative Bank Credit Card online. So let's get started. First of all, you have to begin by opening any web browser on your computer or your mobile device and navigate to cooperativebank.co.uk. And on the website, locate and click on the login portal. You have to simply type in the correct form of your username in the first field. And if you'd like this username to be remembered by this Google Chrome web browser for your future logins, you can simply check this box over here. And in the case if you have forgotten your login details, you can simply go ahead and click on this link of forgotten your login details option and simply retry or reset your username and your password. After you enter your username, you can simply go ahead and click on next and follow the on-screen instructions by providing your necessary information including the correct form of your password and more in order to successfully log into your cooperative bank account. And in the case if you haven't registered for the online banking for the cooperative bank, you can simply go ahead and click on the link of register for the online banking option. Then get ready with the sort code and account number or the credit card details. You also have to answer some of the security questions and make sure that your phone and emails are accessible immediately to receive your verification code. Once logged in, access the credit card option and choose the desired card and click on activate next to it. Follow the on-screen instructions to input the credit card details and necessary personal information for the activation. Refer to the documentation accompanying your card for the additional guidance, which may include as a designated phone number or the website for the activation. To activate through phone, use the number on the card or the documentation. Also expect support from an automated system or the customer service for the necessary steps. And be ready to provide the card details and the personal information for the verification. Alternatively, utilize the bank's mobile app or visit a branch to activate the card. So that concludes this guide. Feel free to share any of the queries in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.